This is where the remains of Dr. Dubois Graham is buried. This is not the original burial place. As she said earlier, she was given a state burial. And after the center was established, he was reinterred here. But that also is the ashes of Shirley Graham Dubois. When she died in China, she was incriminated and then the ashes was brought. So that's the ashes in the end beside the husband. Yeah. And the stools are just to represent that kind of authority. Because he was a leader, they gave him a state burial. So it's just representing leadership.
All right, and what does the stools represent?
That's what I just said.
Oh,
okay, sorry. So, yeah.
We're going to get some.
Okay.
So
because he was given a state burial, he was seen as a leader. And because he was seen as a leader, this represents leadership in Ghana. That's why these stools are brought here, just to connote leadership. Yeah.
And any significance on any of the Dinka symbols? We have a Sankofa, we have in Germany. Any specific reason why he chose these Dinka symbols?
Not specifically, but as a result of the people who attended his funeral. Yes, those people brought them. So that's but I think the Sankofa can communicate something to all of us. Go back for it. So these ideas were birthed years back, but what they were fighting for, which is a united Africa, has not yet been achieved. So we can go back for these ideas, these great men birth, and then rally them on and fight for them until it's achieved.
Ashe.
Okay, so that's all. So we can return to the desk and then pass comments, anything you can suggest we do to help the center. So we can go back to the desk. Yeah.
All right, everyone, if you look to the right, this is where we're headed next.
Just go on the
They are returning back inside, or they want to go to the market. Please, where are they?